Hi everyone, my project is medical appointment app. This aim of the application is to help patient easily book doctor appointment, consulting doctors online or offline, manage medical records and receive appointment reminder. This app reducing time and improve the access to healthcare. First the problem statement. During research, I identified the following users' problems. So, long time waiting at a hospital, difficulty find the right doctor, manual medical records, missed appointments due to lack of reminders. So, I have the solution also. So, user research, I continued quantitative and qualitative research to understand user behavior, expectation and pain points. Most user wanted to fast booking process, clear doctor information and timely appointment reminder. After I will get the user persona represents a working professional named Ananthanayaki who need a simple and reliable appointment booking system. Her goal are to avoid hospital queues and find specialty quickly and receive appointment reminder. After that, get user flow. The user journey start login, home page and doctor search, appointment booking, payment confirmation and profile management. This flow ensures smooth and easily experienced. The wireframing, I first create low fidelity wireframing to plan the layout. Then I designed high fidelity screen in Figma using consistent typography colors and icon and component to create clean and modern interfaces. So font size, bodies and navigations also. So login page and sign up page, join up page, review rating and contact booking colors theory. So date and time pages. So pop-up screen also. The we have used these icons are used in medical app. So color theory and code. So we have used in grid system 30 columns of grid to used. After that, finish the low fidelity and start up with high fidelity. After completing the wireframe, I create the high fidelity design in Figma. This is a final visual vision of the application that closely represents the real product. It includes the final colors, the typographic icons, image, button spacing and interactive elements. So first is a login screen. The login screens allows user to securely access the app using their phone number or email. I provide a simple interface with sign in and sign up option for easy access. We have used in name, mail ID, phone number and password. And home screen. The home screen is the main dashboard of the app. It gives quick access to the doctor search, online and offline consulting, notification and nearby healthcare service through a clean and user friendly layout. Next, online and offline consultation. The screen allows user to choose between online consulting, video, audio or chat, and offline clinic visit and or hospital. It helps you select the consultation method that best fit on their needs. Doctor search and profile. User can search for the doctor by specialty or location. Each doctor's profile display information such as availability, consultation mode, rating and reviews, helping users make informed decision. Next, appointment sheet. Appointment. In the appointment screen, users enter the details and select the consultation type, date and time. Also, the interface is designed to make booking quick and simple. So, payment of appointments. After confirming the appointments, user reviewing the booking detail and complete the payment securely through the app before the appointment is finalized. In case appointment will be failed, the go to the pop-up app will be visible. So after the successful payment, the confirmation screen display the doctor's name, appointment date, time, consulting type and booking confirmation to research the users. Next, profile page. The profile page acts as a user's personal dashboard. Users can manage appointment, view medical records, check payment history, update settings and log out of the application. As the log out of account and app. So, notification, audio reminder also. So, conclusion of the app. The high fidelity design provides a modern, clean and user-friendly experience. Solved user problem by make doctor search, appointment, booking, payment and healthcare manage faster, easier and more than convenient. Thank you.